Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung LED TV which comes with sound but no display problem. Friends, as you can see, when we tap on the display, the backlights are flashing. This clearly indicates that the issue is related to the display panel. As we discussed earlier, this type of complaint is mainly caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel. This shorting may occur on either the left side or the right side of the panel. If the gate signals on both sides are shorted, then the panel is not repairable. But if the shorting is present on only one side, then we can repair it using a temporary fixing method. Friends, this TV uses a single COF Samsung panel with the SM4186 Dc to Dc IC. Due to the internal gate signal shorting, the Dc to Dc IC goes into protection mode, which causes the no display issue. Here you can see the gate signal tracks coming from both the right side and left side of the glass panel. So friends, first we cut the right side gate signal tracks. If the picture comes, then no further action is required. But if the picture does not come, we rejoin the cut tracks and then cut the opposite side gate signals. After cutting the right side gate signals, the complaint remained the same. So we rejoin those tracks and then cut the left side gate signal tracks. Now you can see the picture has appeared, and the TV is successfully repaired. So that's it friends. Hope you like this video and our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Smiling face with smiling eyes.